Every line falls into place. The sharp, precise wave-designed shoulder line and pronounced wheel arches highlight the standard Quattro registered trademark all-wheel drive, while rear horizontal design lines and integrated brake lights accentuate the vehicle width. With a folding roof that can be raised at up to 31 miles per hour, the S5 Cabriolet is the perfect balance of form and function. Acoustic folding roof. Made with innovative acoustic materials to help absorb unwanted noise, the Audi S5 Cabriolet acoustic folding roof helps keep the interior comfortably quiet when the top is up, and folds at speeds up to 31 miles per hour. Designed to fit drivers and passengers. The distinguished Audi S5 Cabriolet design aesthetic continues throughout the cabin of the vehicle, combining comfort and sophistication to create an exhilarating environment for drivers and passengers alike. Split-back folding seats. The roof of the S5 Cabriolet is not the only thing that opens up. Split-back folding seats create even more open space than you thought possible.